1 plus 1 equals to 2. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. 2 plus 6 equals to 8. 2 plus 8 equals to 10. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. 5 plus 5 equals to 10.